Boys, double OC. Ready, cover this.
Refood guys, refood.
Four-way fight boys ah. There should be
4v5,
four-way
4v5.
Keep
Whoever dies
refood
first.
ka, refood.
Yeah, sige. Come southeast.
May labas na agad.
Oh no, guys.
Yo, Bama.
Bakit may kagan? 37 minutes pa ako.
Bama, Yorker.
Hold
Yorker
it.
break.
Balik ka na, Obama.
Hold, mount up boys. Everyone mount up.
Mama, go.
How big is slaves? How big slaves?
17 DA, 17 DA.
Yo.
Okay. What?
Si Obama. Si Obama na.
Wait.
Hindi siya nagkakulos.
What the fuck?
Shinchan 31 DA, Shinchan 31 DA.
Nasa harap mo na kayo.
Come southwest. Walk. What are you doing now? Come southeast. Where's Baragi? Guys. Regroup. Okay. Ready. Come to me. Where are you doing? Come. Everyone regroup. What are you doing now?
Nothing.
31 to LBXX na.
Come southeast. Yeah, we nap. Nap with Baragi. LBXS first. Come southeast.
Mounted dito.
Hindi.
Yung sinisyan.
Anong comp nila?
Clap brawl.
Clap roll.
Same kagabi,
Pero
same
yung
kagabi.
clap nila ano.
Lumalaban pa sila.
Sila.
Hindi pa.
Just keep scouting for me. Hold here.
MVXX is mounted on dito.
Come southwest.
Ay, shaper yung ano.
Anong ginagawa nila? Hold.
Naka-dismount na yung LVXX.
Yung Meerkat, asaan?
Hanapin ko.
Come southeast.
Bonking sila ng wall.
Asan yung Meerkat? Where's Meerkat?
Hindi
Hindi
ko
ko makita yung Meerkat.
Look for them.
nasa northwest nila. Nasa northwest ng
Okay,
LVXX.
come.
They're fighting right now. I think LVXX right now. Nothing. Sa pangalan to. Fighting northwest.
Walk up. Take now, honey. Walk in. Guys, I give you guys, ready guys? Northwest, ready Northwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Northwest. Okay, spread, chill.
Sa pangalan ng choke ng
Chill,
LVXX.
come southeast. Go down southeast. Huy! Man, my zerd. Ready
Dito.
Yo, Baragi is fighting southwest of thing.
Spread kayo.
Baragi is here on thing.
Spread.
West ni mo ah. West ni mo.
Come southwest.
Engage.
Come southwest. Ready guys, ready northwest, northwest ha? Northwest down, 5, 4, 3, 2, northwest. Wala akong dami.
Yo, Nemo is rotating here. One party at
Come
least.
southeast. Don't worry about them, they're not. Come southeast.
Okay.
Come southeast, everyone southeast, walk with me. Walk with me. Stay southeast of me. Come northwest. What's the joke here? Come southeast. Come southeast, boys. Ground.
Careful over the wall, north. You.
They have to...
Come northwest. Hold them. Ready, northwest deep down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest deep. Deep. Now you spread. Isang napatay natin.
Laking deep.
Come southeast. Yeah, they're looking to spread your buttons. You're not gonna die. Ready, defensive. Come northwest. Push now. Everyone push. Push, boys. Ready on everyone on top of us, bro. Hold, fix. Ready, guys, on top of me now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, empty crowd. Dami siya na down.
Straight north mo, hindi mo
Okay,
iwas.
go northwest. Everyone go northwest. Go northwest now.
Heron bomb
Please,
beside you, Kiko. Heron bomb to your east.
Meron bang to your east now? Guys, ready, come southeast. That's Nemo. Come southwest, everyone come south. Come, give us. Heal me, boys, heal me. Come northwest. Come southwest. Can my Zerg stay with me, bro? Come southwest.
Baragi on our west side.
Come southeast, everyone come southeast. Ready northeast, guys. Southwest, ready south now. South now, everything south. South down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, south on me, south. Go southwest, everyone go southwest. Walk southwest.
May southwest mo ah.
Stay with me. Come north, go north, boys. Go northeast. Go north. Hold this. Oh,
Kaya
everyone
dito tayo
go.
to one side ah.
Hold, come southeast. Come southeast, come southeast. Hindi tayo i-hit yan. Come southeast. Just come southeast. Walk me, walk me. Walk me southeast, walk me southeast.
Pwede ba natin patayin yung mga naiwan? Can we hit on it? Can we hit
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come southwest.
Walang
Everyone
tinggawan
southwest.
ng fall na to.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Southeast now. Everyone southeast now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast on me, southeast on me, southeast. Kill this. Nice. Come, keep going southeast, keep going southeast, keep going southeast. Keep going
Southwest
southeast,
na
keep walking to me southeast, keep walking to me southeast. They're looking front. Give bats. Come southeast, keep walking.
8 seconds, 8 seconds ha.
Keep walking in and roll. They're split. Ready, the very southwest ha. Keep it southwest, Come. Ready, hold, spread. Guys, on the choke. Everything on the choke, guys. On the choke, northwest in 5. Give bats. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything down. Division around. Okay, let's kill out. Come northeast, boys. Come northeast. Bro, the ones on top of you. Guys, come northeast.
Reload na choke, careful choke.
Yeah, it's choke. Come northeast. Wala pa silang engage. 10 seconds. Ready. Come. Ready, northwest. Come southeast. Everyone southeast. Fast. Boys. Southeast. Patay dito, southeast. Pakipatay ito isa. Ready, guys. Keep going southwest. One guy is start. Hold flank. Ano to?
Nimani mo na to.
Come northwest. Asan yung northwest?
Nasa north natin yung LBX.
Catch this. Catch what you want. Northwest, guys. Ready northwest, ha? Ready northwest, bro. No, Meerkat. Come north. I'm so confused. Where's...
Wala na, out na atay kalaban, pre.
Okay,
Yung nag-full run ng north mo kanina, pre.
Man, you guys are losing the power.
Nakamount na yung Shinchan. Shinchan, Disarray 21. D821 still. D821
You
still.
guys are
Very
losing the
good.
power. So fast.
Baka ibutang yun yung 31 sila kanina.
Ha?
So, they lost
Yung
by
Shinchan?
40 people.
Yeah, 31 sila kanina. 31 DA sila.
Yo, dismounted si Baraki sa west side.
Come southeast. Guys, huwag nyo na i-pace check. Dismounted na nga, pina-pace check nyo pa, ha?
Even if the red is not temporarily, don't go at them with a full zero.
Kita nyo dismounted na, pina-pace check nyo pa. Come south. Ready. Come. Ang hina natin. Kailangan yata natin ng upol? Or what?
Ako?
Ano? Bakit yung nag-area?
Boys, ang dami ko nakitang brawlers kanina sa LBXX fight. Every time na nakakakuha ako ng flank as a brawler, wala akong katabing ibang brawler. Legit.
Back mo na.
Legit, you guys are lost as fuck.
But you need to
Drop loots ha. We have loot logs. Drop loots.
Everything.
Wait lang, Kev. 1 minute. Pabanta na ako.
Boy, bawiya ka din that thing ko kanina, boy. Yung nagang ako. 6M yung KF yung shaper eh. Trap.
defensive, offensive.
Lahat.
Okay.
Just come here. Gusto kong bedrock. Tangin na.
You need bedrock? Okay.
Ayoko na mag-rock caller ah. Boost defense.
Dismounted yun sa ano Nimo na color.
Where? Scout, keep scouting for me. Ba't ako dismounted? Stay mounted. Both circs are bunking.
Ah, my god. Meerkat na sa east side mo. Maglalakad.
Okay, come southwest. Everyone come southwest. Come to the top, southwest.
Mag-open world daw ba?
Once win away sa'yo.
1v1 win. Come southwest. Come to the choke.
Keep wait lang.
Come to the choke.
20 seconds.
Ano? And chill. We're not gonna die here. Everyone dismount.
Dito sila sa ping.
Dismount, chill.
If I see brawlers dismounted yo, brawlers where you dismounted?
Brawlers, you don't need to fully dismount. Make up, come northeast.
Go
Everyone,
easy sila.
Okay, everyone, just chill. Kill the mobs on top of me. Ready,
Brawlers, always look for a good flank Always look for a good flank.
Flanking yata sa inyo.
Where are they now?
Ito.
Are they dismounted?
No, yes. Walking.
Meerkat on ping.
Okay.
Yung southwest.
Mount up. Kill mobs first.
Mount
Mount
up.
up.
Northeast no.
Mount up.
On this ping. Dismounted only.
Come northeast. Come northwest.
Mag-full push mo kay one side.
Come northeast. Yung money mo siya. Come northeast.
Nimo sa bit scattered.
Yeah, meron ka.
Obama, go W cleanse.
Southwest may Meerkat.
This one. Any more
But
updates?
stay mounted. Just throw OC if you need to, but stay mounted.
Double OC boys. Don't forget. Come Southwest. Can you guys clear the
Obama,
bombs?
go
Clear the
double
bombs.
cleanse.
By this. Literal teleporting.
Gago, nag-iikot na ata.
Nag-mount na sila.
Sino? Yun.
Meerkat. Northwest.
Boy, yun ba to, boy?
Ay!
Ayaw magpaano?
Kill this guy. 3, 2, 1.
Boy,
Obama, W cleanse, Obama.
mag-slugfest na kayo, boy.
Obama daw. Obama,
Trader
please.
yung ano ba? Yung nasa
Mounted
right.
sila sa...
Barack Obama.
Terry Castle.
Sa south ng castle.
Mantap. Sa northeast of Castle.
LBXX to ah.
Sige.
Yung Northeast Blob.
Okay na,
Bumalik sila.
All reserve sa kanila to.
Magdala ka ba naman level 30 to 50?
Nasa loob
70?
na nagpa-fight na sila. Fighting sila ng limo-limo ah.
Yeah, go northeast side.
Gago, 20 DA lang talaga yung mga naglalaban dito, tapos nakikisuntok sila. Laki-laki din eh.
Sila tuloy na bugbog.
Get me.
May party finder, Alex.
Okay, wait. So,
Well, ano ta?
meron. Party.
Boy, ayaw ko na mag-tell DOTC. Okay na. Ang hirap na lang.
Saya nga.
Hindi, masaya.
Masaya yung kayo. Ako hindi ako masaya. Nung iulo.
Masaya, tas ano, maaga pa, diba?
Yan na yun.
Oo, pwede pa
Southwest dismounted sila, dito, binabok na nila dito.
Ay, gago na dis.
Nasa ka action.
Andito si hindi, safe Ako na muna mag-scout dito. Meron
Kami.
Hindi ba dito ako sa west side ng Lord Room papasok? Yung Meerkat side.
Eve pushing out southeast, Baragi pushing out southeast, rotating.
Kill the guards.
Hindi mo naka-face ngayon sa Kilabaragi.
Baragi is here.
Come northwest. Bro,
Live pinging where Baragi is.
Wizard, come northwest.
Cutting natin, cutting guys. Oh,
Catch this wash. Patay na si Sosh ha,
Get out muna.
Live pinging where they are still.
Limini mo yung safe castle na south.
Okay,
Guys, looking yung Nimo. Nakatunga nga kayo lahat dyan.
At saka nakatama.
fake.
Yeah, I'm scouting still. They're still here ah.
Okay, just chill. They have engaged. Guys, wake up. They have engaged. Enemy has engaged.
Na-stop.
Walking southeast ulit yung si Baragi.
3, 2, 1, everything on me.
Shaper.
Damn, GA, bro.
Gago, shelter.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Super na ano
7,
yun?
Shaper na.
8. Nimo.
Yan, lang tayo sa isang ano.
Uy.
Ready. Binitawan ko na kasi pushing out na yung sila Baragi southeast.
Reggae fast, tatabilan nyo lang mamaya.
Spread. Dami ko rin natin. Looking na, guys. Looking na. Oh,
From southwest, enemy danger from southwest.
Nice. Let's fake. Real coming.
Baragi southeast side ah, pushing na.
Pasok na si Meerkat sa Lord Room.
Sige lang. Bong, boys, bong.
They're hitting Nimo right.
Nasa Lord Room na Mercat.
Where's Nimo?
Ano sa Lord Room din.
Are you fighting or what?
West side ng naglalaro sa southwest gate ng Lord Room yung Nimo.
Northeast. Uy, ba't papasok kayo? Pasok.
Yung guard.
Come southwest, kill the guards. Come southeast. Ready. Everyone,
Sa inyo yung brothers ng
hold.
Yo,
Sige, pats. Walk in now, everyone walk in and go.
Shaper.
Bro, shaper down. Walk in. Ready guys, on a choke boys, everything on a choke. On a choke now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, everything choke. Drop nyo lang lahat sa choke. Muntik pa sila mamatay. Spread, come northwest. Spread kayo northwest.
LBXX nandito din na ulit.
Guys, ang tap nyo yan, mag-lenses kayo. Northwest bro, mag-northwest kayo.
Level 8 sila ngayon.
Ingat over the wall.
Shaper!
Shaper.
Na one shot siya.
Yeah, I see.
Shoes, please. Use Tower
Come
Box.
southwest, boys. Come southwest. Wake up. Ready.
LBXX, D812 na.
Okay, ready. Southwest, bro. Ready, southwest,
Next
ha?
pull with Virila, next pull with Virila.
Yeah, wait for it. We're gonna counter.
Nag-spread sila sa ano mo, sa Nexus.
Southwest daw. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tawag. Ang dalalim.
Puta, walang DPS.
Basta.
May internal stuff ako dun goods.
Slaves little double
May
die.
ano ito na yung
Ano
LBXX
yung PTA nila teachers of?
Currently,
Ano
13.
yung scratch?
Dismounted daw sa northeast ng Slaves Leader.
Sino?
Slaves leader.
Still 13, still.
East ng chop, dito.
Come northeast. Chase it.
Wala akong nakatch.
Yeah, come southwest.
Unwaiting.
Huwag na, balikan na dito.
Yeah. Sino. Wala.
Come southwest. Everyone come inside natin.
I'll tell you guys when they dismount.
Come southwest. Guys, ready. Walk up, boys. Walk in now. Everyone walk in. Fast. Go northwest. Yung flank natin, mapa-flank tayo, ha.
Northwest, di man mo ha. From circular, going out northwest.
Guys, northwest. Everyone come northwest. Northwest, boys. Hold them. Southwest, everyone on the choke. On the choke now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every choke.
Engaging from northwest, akit pala.
Okay, go back and kite. Northeast. Kite northeast, boys. Kite northeast. Hin.
Wait up.
Parang wala tayong ano. Nimo northwest. Okay.
Yeah, flanking northeast, Nimo. Northeast.
Watch
Sa labas ha.
out flank. Big pat sa spread southeast. We're gonna full walk in on Nimo ha. Ready. Ready, may brawlers ha. Come northwest. Guys, walk. Pressure gig pads if they engage. Just walk in. Try to flank. Keep chasing them, boys. Keep chasing, boys. Walk in. Ready for. Just press your buttons.
If you're behind mount up.
Yeah. Hold them.
And
Guys,
shaper.
On a shaper, boys. 3, 2, 1. Shaper, boys. Shaper. Nice. Kill
Good job.
You know yung team natin from the chop, ano sila? No CD.
Kill shaper.
Ay, engaging southwest. Southeast. Engaging southeast.
Come north. We're so bad at this. It's so bad when it's
Big.
Ay, slave, dismounting northeast. Dismounting northeast. Slave.
Everyone spread.
Spread.
Go north. Wait for them to engage. Come
All of us
Please, okay matakot if they engage, just giga. Just go for giga.
Come northwest. Guys, maglakad naman kayo northwest.
Okay, that's a fake.
Yeah, just walk northwest.
You're the only one there, bro.
Boys, disengage, boys.
It's okay, I'm good.
Help tuning. Looking na.
They miss on me.
Okay, guys, shallow lang. Everyone shallow.
Boy.
3, 2, 1. Shallow lang. Give bats. Yeah, we don't have defensive.
Just play. Di na tayo makakamount eh. Just play it, please. Just play it.
Hindi, makakamang tayo. Go northwest. Punta kayo northwest choke. Walk lang kayo northwest choke. Out na.
Hindi, nag-pull out sila. Keep. Mount up.
Out na northwest. Ang
Wala
bad
na lang
natin.
yung market.
Mount up.
Sobrang bad. Nagsayang tayo sa 6 Mount up.
Mahirap, guys tanks. It's not just the brawlers that needs to mount up. If you guys are fighting versus kite comp, what you guys need to do, you have to peel tanks, you have to mount up and cut off the kite.
I mean,
You guys are not doing shit.
It's that we're getting engaged front. Like, no one's thinking of stopping. Tas may flank. Oh, we don't have any flank tanks. It's like we're missing everything. I don't know the logic of everyone. We're eating so hard. Kami sa castle. What's happening?
The fight is north.
Sa southeast side ng castle ni Nimo. But I don't think they're gonna hit us right now. What's happening? Nakuha ba natin castle?
Hindi. Come southeast.
Nemo, rotating to north, ha? I think they're gonna...
Yeah, I think they're gonna pinch LBXX here.
Yeah, we're gonna pinch LBXX. Those who are alive, come.
Yung LBXX nandito sa northwest ko.
Stay mounted, boys. Stay mounted. Don't dismount ako. Yeah, don't trigger. If you don't have any triggers, don't trigger na. We're just gonna hit LBXX one time. Yeah. I'm gonna. Mount up.
Did you see my damage row? Easy.
I do. You're the solo brawler, bro. I saw that shit.
Imagine having a bloodletter there, bro.
Asan sila?
Kapaway.
Asan sila?
Insta
Keep telling me. Are they up the choke?
There is
or
some
below the choke?
there is some pingo. No, this is get na. Nasa baba na sila ng choke, nasa northeast na sila ng
Nasa
choke.
baba mo sila. Come southeast. Come northeast.
Keep yung nasa west side mo, yun yung GXB. Yung
Yeah. Come southeast. Come southeast. What are they doing?
directly north mo, yun na yan. Nagka-kite yung Nimo.
Come northeast. Come.
Yan na yan.
Yeah, guys, this one on middle. This one on middle.
Keep south mo. Backline na, backline Meerkat ha. Backline.
It's okay.
Ay, gago.
Not Meerkat.
Okay.
Not
G, the shipper. Shipper,
Where's the shipper?
North. Look Batman.
They got it.
Now.
Lukisan nyo. Guys,
Yo!
clear. Spread. Takbo, spread. Magigpas kayo, guys. Spread. Huwag kayo
Nag-hit
mag-play.
na yung bombs na yung nag-hit yung bot ko doon sa LDX sa west side. Nag-hit na, ang dating.
Wake up, southwest now. Everyone southwest deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southwest on me. Damage. Wala. Nakita.
Naka-cleric sila, Kip. Naka-clearix sila.
Split yung circle nila, oh. You guys can
Isang
split
northeast, isang
Roll this northeast, bro.
Yung Sinchan.
Shipper. Ito.
Naka-split sila, guys. Come northwest.
May naka-regroup na sila, Kip.
Come northeast.
Looking.
Kipat. Now you walk in. Fake style. Fake.
Two more cooldowns na sila, Kip.
Yeah. Ready, guys. Ready. Northwest now. 5, 4,
Nag-isa sila.
3, 2, 1. Everything down.
Kulang daan.
Wala na bata.
Meerkat engaging on my side.
Teachers out looking now. He went in B.
Southeast. Kite kayo southeast.
I'm gonna peel here on the bridge if you wanna cross. I'm peeling bridge.
Defensives. Okay. Boy, ano sabi ko, pre? Kite southeast. Okay, bro, naman sa top you.
Heron looking. Shipper looking.
Boy, saan ko sinabi mag-kite? Southeast?
Southeast, boys. Southeast, not
Ready?
northeast.
And this. Yes, fine. Ready, guys, on top me. Just shallow. 3, 2,
Oy, battle mounts out na.
1.
Battle mounts out.
Out. Just get out, boys. Everyone get out. Yung mga looters, mag-rat na kayo. Everyone rat.
Boy, yung mga brothers natin, boy. Nasaan kayo, boy?
Yo, bato daw dito.
I'm with you, Multo.
Direct tayo.
Kila rats.
Takbo mo to.
Kila rats on me. Help your boys. Come out. Takbo na. We intend so hard, bro.
Where's Multo?
Let's
Dito ka, Alex.
Alex is veiled, baby. Let's go. Kite to me. Kite east. Let's go. I cleanse you.
Keeping.
They're running.
Let's go.
Run, guys. Don't kill them.
Where, guys, I don't think we're fit to fight,
Open world.
open like this. Like, especially 1v1. So bad. Like, parang nagugulat kayo na naka-face yung kalaban, enemies facing us. Naka-face nga sa atin, anong gagawin nila? They're gonna engage, right? Yeah, I know, I get the lag. It's fine. Yeah, let's not do 12 UTC. Unless we're done. Yeah, we just get farm.
Alas.
Try to rat, yung mga looters. Try to rat, guys. Try to rat. Nah, it's really bad. I shouldn't have agreed. Fuck, man.
Masisira ko isang billion yung kalaban.
Kailangan talaga pag ganito, may isa kang tank na laging or yung buster mo dapat combat scout lagi. Kasi kanina, yung bago ko mag-engage yung southwest, nag 2 engages na si LBXX, wala nang cooldown, tapos kahit comp, nasa iyo yung backline. Kaya lang walang nagsasabi sa'yo eh.
Hindi ko kita ko eh.
No.
Tapos may sumisigaw pala, shaper. Oh, siya. Hindi naman natin napatay yung shaper.
Teka, actually stream ko naman yun kasi...
Yeah. No, it's fine, it's fine. We're just really bad at open. Unless we need to be on. I think if it's open, I'd rather be on Kitecom.
Ang bobo nung 4 na beses namatay. Putang inang pangalan niyan, Wemi.
Wala, ganun talaga.
Gago ka, Wemi, namatay ka dun sa tabi ko. Tinalo mo
We
yung
probably died.
Yo guys, that's losing fight. Please upload your VODs ha. May nag-mention na you guys are only uploading VODs when you're winning. But you guys don't upload VODs when we're losing. So you make sure you upload those VODs ha.
Wait, brothers, hop to my stream real quick bago ako mag-off. Come to my stream. Nakikita nyo to? Kung saan ako, nakikita nyo kung saan ako nagdidis.
Anka. Hello. Anka.
Hả?
Trắng giấy. Thùng trắng giấy. Mẹ. Phải luôn đánh nữa cái. Đánh là cái đéo gì nhờ. Đánh là cái map bên gì ta? Northwest á. Đánh bên Northwest đù má nó loạn. Insurance bị 3 thằng kẹp. À để